Hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Angie and this is Yarn Over with Angie. Okay, so I have another washcloth for you to make. And this one's a little bit different than the other ones. And you're going to see why I said that in a minute. Okay, all right, so now I'm going to show you one of my favorite things. This is called Tunisian crochet. It looks like it's knit, but it's not. I promise you, all you need to make this is a crochet hook and some yarn. And we are going to go ahead and get started. We're going to go through it step by step, and you will be able to do this, I promise. So I'm going to push this aside. As you can see, it has these lovely little lines in here, and the V's are going across. It looks hard, and let's take a look at the other side. The other side looks like pearl bumps when we're knitting. Okay, for those of you who know how to knit. But this is not a knit fabric. This is definitely a crocheted fabric, and I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So for this one, it doesn't really matter how many chains you make. You just make it as long or as short as you would like it. So I believe I have 10 here. This is a very specific way of working your work into the chain. Normally you would insert the hook this way, right? This is not how we do it in Tunisian. In Tunisian, you have to turn that chain over. And you see how it has these little bumpy things in the back? That's where we're going to be making our stitches. So we're going to go ahead and skip that first one. And we're going to insert our hook into that first bump. Okay, so here is my stitch from before, and here is the chain bump. I'm going to yarn over and pull it through. Now I have 2 loops on my hook. Just leave it there. Don't do anything with it. Okay, now I'm going to insert my hook again. I'm going to look for that bump, insert my hook, yarn over, and pull it through. Now I have 3 loops. Just leave it there. It's going to be okay. When you make your chain, make sure that you do not make it too long, because we need to have all of these loops on our hook. Okay, so this is ideal for making a washcloth. If you want to make something longer, you're going to have to get a longer hook. They do sell Tunisian crochet hooks. But if you don't have a Tunisian crochet hook, that's okay. You can use your regular hook. You just can't make it very long. So let's continue. Insert your hook, find that next bump. Here we go. Use that next bump. You see it? Wait. And pull it through. Yarn over and pull it through. I now have 4 loops. Now this first row is very difficult and very tedious, I think. Okay, you have to take your time, you have to pay attention. Let's find that next bump. Insert. Okay, yarn over and pull it through. Now I have 5 loops. I'm going to insert it again, find that bump, yarn over, pull it through, leave it there, insert, find that bump, yarn over, pull it through. I'm holding my stitches with these 2 fingers, making sure they don't slide off too much. Okay, insert the hook, insert the hook right here, find that bump, yarn over, pull through, and I think there's 2 more, right? Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, and here's 1 more bump. That last bump is killing me. Okay, yarn over and pull it through. Okay, let's see how many loops we have. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yep, I had 10 stitches. I now have 10 loops. There you go. Well, now that was called the forward pass in Tunisian crochet. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to yarn over and pull it through 1, and yarn over and pull it through 2. The first time we're going to pull it through 1, and now we're going to pull it through 2. Yarn over, pull it through 2. Yarn over, pull it through 2. Yarn over, pull it through 2. All the way down. Yarn over and pull it through 2. The first one is a yarn over, pull through 1. All the others are yarn over and pull through 2. Now I'm left with 1 hook again. Okay, I'm going to show you another row. That was called the return pass. Okay, we're going to do another one. Okay, you ready? Because I have to show you the next step. So that was just the first row, right? That was the foundation row. Now all the other rows are going to be like this. This is how we do the next rows. You see how we have a bar there? We're going to ignore that bar. And we're going to go into the, you're going to look here in the front. You see how we have the bar? It looks like a V, but we have a bar standing up in the front. We're going to take our hook and insert it under there. See? Yarn over and pull it through. We have 2 loops. Let's try that again. We're going to insert our hook from right to left. Lift up that bar, yarn over, pull it through. 3 loops. Insert from right to left, lift up that bar. One more time. Well, again. Insert your hook, lift up that bar. The first row is the hardest row to do because you're not familiar with it. It's hard to find those bars here. Just take your time, do it slow. Insert your hook from right to left, lift up that bar so you can see it and pull it through. Remember to leave those loops on your hook. 9, we need 10. I know. So here's what we do. The last one, we're going to look for the V. You see that? You see that? I'm going to put it through. This is very important. Try to look for that V in that last stitch. It will keep your edges nice and smooth. Here we go. You see the V? Both legs of the V? Right there. Yarn over and pull it through. It's the first row that's the hardest. After this, it really does get easier. And pull it up. Now we have our 10 loops. So do you remember? We're going to yarn over, pull it through 1, and then yarn over and pull it through 2. Here. Now, this makes a very dense fabric, so I would recommend going up maybe a hook size, maybe 2. Okay? So if it calls for a 5, do a 5.5 or 6. We have 2 more. Okay, there you go. I'm going to show you one more time, and then I have one more thing to show you. Okay, let's go ahead and do that one more time. We're going to look for the right there. We're going to look for that. Okay, we're going to skip this one right here. We're going to insert our hook from right to left, yarn over, pull it through. We have our loops on there. We're going to do that all the way down. Okay, I'm going a little bit faster. Okay, insert from right to left, go this way, that way. Find that last bar. Okay, we have 9 loops, we need the last one. You see that right there? Let's see, insert through both legs of the V. See? That's going to keep your edges nice and straight. Now we have 10 loops. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over and pull through 2 all the way down the row. pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. I should have used a little bit larger hook because it's a little tight, but that's okay. And here we go. One more thing before we go, okay? Now, you see how that's all open? We don't want to leave it like that, okay? So whenever you've decided that you have made this as long as you would like for it to be, I have one more tip for you. One more step. This is how we finish this Tunisian crochet. We take our hook, as usual, and we insert it into that first row, yarn over and pull it through. Guess what? We're going to pull it through that loop now. We're going to finish that stitch. Okay, let's do that again. Find the next bar, insert from right to left, yarn over, pull it through, and yarn over and pull it through. Okay, one more time. Well, not one more time. Let me show you again. Insert from right to left, yarn over and pull it through both. Again, yarn over, pull it through both. Yarn over, pull it through both, all the way down the row till we get to the end. Now, here we go. Here's the last bar. Don't forget to look for that last stitch here, okay? It's going to keep your edges nice and tidy, okay? Can you see it? There it goes. See it? All right. Yarn over, pull through both. And then you can just make a knot and cut it off. Now you see how nice, and even you have here. That's how you finish. The hole is gone. So both edges look the same. You see, you have this beautiful edging here, and you have this beautiful edging here. You see that? So that is Tunisian crochet. It looks like knit, but we did it with our crochet hook. Remember, if you want to make it bigger, you're going to have to use a larger hook. But this is okay for our washcloth. This is okay to practice. Just go up a hook size, okay? And that is a Tunisian crochet. All right, I hope you enjoyed this one. Okay, Tunisian washcloth. Tunisian washcloth. This was the Tunisian simple stitch. If you want to make this longer, I'm afraid you're going to need a longer hook. That's the downside. But for a washcloth, this is just the perfect. This is just a perfect size. But if you're going to make a scarf or a blanket or something that's a little bit wider, you're going to have to go ahead and get the longer hooks. Okay. And you can buy them at Amazon and several other stores, Joann's, wherever. Okay, so that was the Tunisian. And listen, Tunisian is a whole other part of crochet. Let me know in the comments if you would like for me to do more videos about Tunisian crochet specifically. This was the Tunisian simple. There are so many other Tunisian crochet stitches. And since you're learning crochet, you might as well bump it up a notch, right? It uses a lot of the same techniques as regular crochet. The only thing is that you have to do a forward pass and a reverse pass. You can do that. All right, so as I said before, let me know in the comments if you would like to learn more about Tunisian crochet. And also let me know what you thought of the stitch, the simple Tunisian crochet stitch. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Are you gonna pass? Are you gonna make some more? I love Tunisian crochet. Actually, I love crochet. And thanks for stopping by. And I will see you next time. All right? Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.